News coming in from Karnataka, and there's huge relief for the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka. The Supreme Court today has quashed the money laundering case. This is a case that was registered back in 2018. So in that huge relief that's come about for the Deputy Chief Minister, the Supreme Court dismissed that money laundering case against the Congress leader. The Supreme Court quashed that 2018 money laundering case against Karnataka's Deputy Chief Minister DK Shivkumar, a case related to unaccounted cash that was found in his flats in Delhi in August of 2017, now stands quashed. Well, of course, when we talk about this case, this was the Congress leader was arrested by the Enforcement Directorate officials back in September of 2019 in connection with this particular case. The Delhi High Court had granted him bail the very next month. It was DK Shivkumar had then accused the BJP of political vendetta and said that he had full faith in the judiciary. So we have my colleague Pratibha joining us. Pratibha, get us a little background on the case related to the Deputy Chief Minister.
In fact, it all started in 2017 when there was unaccounted cash that was found in his residence in Delhi in August of 2017. And soon after that, DK Shivkumar did approach the High Court to quash the ED summons, but that was denied at that point in time. And he then moved Supreme Court, which has now granted him some amount of relief with respect to this case. And after quashing this case, of course, DK Shivkumar is already battling another one, which is the disproportionate assets case that has been an ongoing fight. Even in that particular case, there is some amount of breather in the form of the consent that has been withdrawn by the government. But with respect to these legal battles that have provided him some kind of a breather, DK Shivkumar can now concentrate on his political career, keeping in mind the forthcoming Lok Sabha election as well.
Right, Pratibha, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. Moving on to Gurugram now from Karnataka. Let's get you the latest in that there was a cafe in Gurugram where 5 people had gone to eat, and now a first arrest has been made in connection with the cafe, an outing that turned into a medical emergency. Well, 5 people who were there at the restaurant were served what seemed to be a mouth freshener, ended up being dry ice. All the 5 that ate the mouth freshener were then taken to a hospital. 2 of them are said to be critical. 1 person has now been arrested in that case related to that cafe which served dry ice instead of a mouth freshener. The visuals on your screen of those 5 people who had gone out to celebrate a birthday ended up throwing up blood and reported a burning sensation in their mouth after eating the mouth freshener after their meal at that cafe on the 2nd of March. Everyone was admitted to a private hospital. 2 out of the 5 are said to be critical. A complaint has been filed against the restaurant owner after the incident was reported. And according to the doctors, this is a deadly acid that one can die if consumed. Well, the Prime Minister is in Telangana and his big push as far as the southern state is concerned. The Prime Minister there talked about questioning as far as the lack of family is concerned. He went on to say that they forget that 140 crore people of this country are my family. He has also gone on to say that he will make India the 3rd largest economy. Congress and allies have cursed the Modi and his family. At a public gathering in Sangareddy in Telangana, the Prime Minister says that the Congress made Telangana its new ATM. They believe in family first. I believe in nation first. For them, the family is everything. For me, the country is everything, is what the Prime Minister had to say.
देश के गरीबों के पक्के घर बनवा रहा है. अब तक 4 करोड़ घर बन चुके हैं. उन्होंने परिवारवादियों ने देश की खदानें बेची, महंगी जमीनें बेची, आकाश बेचा. देश को बर्बाद करने में कोई कसर नहीं छोड़ी. ये परिवारवादियों के कारनामे हैं. और मोदी देश बनाने के लिए, आपका भविष्य बनाने के लिए, आपके बच्चों का भविष्य बनाने के लिए जमीन, आकाश, पाताल दिन रात एक कर रहा है. इसलिए बौखलाए हुए ये लोग मेरा परिवार ना होने की बात उठा रहे हैं. ये भूल रहे हैं कि 140 करोड़ देशवासी 140 करोड़ देशवासी ये मोदी का परिवार है।